The consumer charging trials generated the most comprehensive data set on mainstream consumer charging behaviours that we have to date. From this data set, we observed that mainstream consumers are most likely to do most of their EV charging at home and during existing peak times between about 4 and 7 p.m. What this means is that without any intervention, the increase in EV adoption is likely to accentuate existing electricity peaks. The good news, however, is that the two managed charging solutions that we tested in the trial were found to be very effective at shifting that demand away from peak times. So in the case of our system, which is similar to a time of use tariff, we found that the majority of charging was shifted to later in the evening period. And in the case where consumers were incentivized to give control of their charging to the energy supplier, the charging was shifted into the overnight period. So what this tells us is that both systems were effective at shifting behaviour. Importantly as well, consumers were very positive about both of these systems, and when asked whether they would choose a type of managed charging in future or an unmanaged system where they were free to manage it themselves, the majority would choose a managed charging system. This gives us confidence that consumers can be flexible in how they charge their EVs and that they are willing to engage with these systems in future.